previous employer, we utilized BigIron to sell our equipment there and had very good success with that. When I started my position here, when our equipment came up that we were wanting to sell, BigIron was the first choice that I wanted to reach out to. The group is wonderful. The sales rep that we had that came out here, he did a great job, made it seamless, instructed us on what we needed to do, and was very knowledgeable about the equipment. BigIron would be the first choice that I'd recommend to anybody if you're wanting the best return on your investments.